Bonjour, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Let's wait for others to join.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
मैम जो फ्रेंच की बुक है वॉल्यूम 1 है वॉल्यूम 2 है
Beta, for 8th class, it's volume 2.
मैम वो जब वो कोर्स में लिखा हुआ था कि सेम रहेगी
नहीं बेटा, पता नहीं क्यों ये कंफ्यूजन था. क्लास 7th में सेम रहनी थी and it was to be changed for class 8 students because we have completed the book in 7th class, no?
यस मैम
So class 8 has to buy a new book now.
ओके मैम मैम कैन वी ऑर्डर ऑनलाइन आल्सो
Yes, it can be ordered online also. Amazon वगैरह पे it's available.
ओके मैम
Good morning, children. Good morning to all of you. Everybody, please open your cameras if you want to be marked present in the class. Open your cameras. Very good, Om. Ahmed Khan, Om Saraswat. Only 2 students present in the class today. Correct? Pavneet Singh. And who is Pranjali Dikshit now? Show me your face. All right. Kush Sharma, open your camera. Kush Sharma. All right. So students, that means how many of you are sitting without the book right now? Pavneet Singh and Om Saraswat. Ahmed, you also are without the book? Yes. So last time I sent you the PDF of this chapter, the first chapter of the book. You have that PDF with you?
यस मैम
Open the PDF. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let
Yes,
me
ma'am.
check. I'll send it again. Okay, children, please check it on the class group. I have resent.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Just let me know. We started this chapter. We've already started, or we are supposed to start it today. We've already started the chapter, right?
यस मैम
Yes.
Ma'am, I think that we will start today.
We will start today. We've not started. Why do I remember that we've already started in your class? Anyways, yes?
मैम वी स्टार्टेड दिस चैप्टर
Yes, we started, no? So we've done all the main things of the chapter. This is just a revision to what we did in class 6. Vous connaissez la France. That chapter was, do you know the country France? Now this chapter is a quick look on France. So we're just having a quick look. What does the title of the chapter mean? The title of the chapter means Un coup d'oeil sur la France. What is that? A coup d'oeil. Oi means your eye, your single eye, and a coup, that is a look of the eye, a look of the eye or a glance on country France. So we got to know, we learned that which all countries France is surrounded by. It is surrounded by, or it is bordered by 8 countries. Okay. Then uh, this thing, the other two things, the capital, the flag, and this national festival. These all are done before. Something new that we came across was l'hymne national, the national anthem. Now you have to remember the name of the national anthem. What is it? What do we call it? Can any one of you just speak it out? La Marseillaise.
La Marseillaise.
No, L will be silent, beta. So we call it
Okay.
La Marseillaise. La Marseillaise. That's the name of the national anthem. Then,
La Marseillaise.
very nice, very nice. La monnaie unique européenne, the single European currency. Unique here does not mean unique, it stands for single. What is the single European currency? In the whole continent of Europe, we have this currency only, that is the single currency. European currency is l'euro. L'euro. Then the
Euro.
wines we have already studied, the two wines, Bordeaux and Bourgogne. Now the third one is an addition to them. What do we call it? Le Beaujolais. Le Beaujolais. Just try to speak it. What is it?
Le Beaujolais.
La Beaujolais.
Beaujolais.
Very nice. Very good. Then, Les Fromage. We had already done Le Camembert and Le Gruyere before. Now, two additions to them. Le Roquefort and Le Brie. Speak it. Le Roquefort, Le Brie.
Le Roquefort. Le Brie.
Yes, very nice. And then we have Le Tunnel sous la Manche. Now see, the chapter name we have Sur, S-U-R. Sur means on. And what does Sous mean? S-O-U-S means under. So we have two opposite prepositions, two contrast prepositions with us. On and under. So the tunnel that is under the English Channel Sea. And why it is famous? Because it connects, it links France and England. It connects France to England. Now children, you have to learn all the names of these things by heart. Okay? You can get any question in any form that what is it? Le Brie, what is it? So you should know. La Marseillaise, what is that? So that's national anthem, and everything that you're going to answer, you will answer in French. Clear to
Okay,
all of you?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now coming on to the next part, Le Monde Francophone. What is it? The French-speaking world. French is the only language other than English spoken in 5 continents. More than 100. Okay. Om Saraswat, please read this para.
French is the only language other than English spoken in 5 continents. More than 150 million people speak French as their native language, and millions of others use it as a second language. These people make up what is known as Le Monde Francophone, the French-speaking world. Some of the countries where French is the official language or mother tongue are l'Algérie, la
Algérie. How do we call it? We call it l'Algérie. Then,
l'Algérie,
very good. La Belgique.
la Belgique,
La, beta, la Belgique.
la Belgique,
La Suisse.
la Suisse,
Le Luxembourg.
la Luxembourg,
Luxembourg.
la Luxembourg,
So you can get to name the countries where French is the official language. In which all countries French is its official language. You will learn the name of these countries in French only. Clear? Now this work is also to be done in your copies. What? All these important things, starting from the beginning. Le drapeau français, capitale de la France, la fête nationale, le l'hymne national, everything you have to name it, right? Put a hyphen and name that thing. Clear? This is to be done in your notebook, which you are going to do today only in the class itself.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
How many examples we have to give for the
all,
cheese? The
all of them, all of them.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, hurry up, do this work. I'm giving you 5 minutes to write it till Le Monde Francophone. And then we'll move ahead to the letters and their sounds. Your time starts now. It's 9:70, 9:18. At 9:23, I'm going to begin the next topic.
गाड़ी में तो रखा था कल ही तो बोला था उनसे ये था ये क्या है बटन थोड़ी है कैंची से काट लो अभी बाल काटने वाली कैंची से काट लो
Done it, children?
Ma'am, wait.
What about others? Rudra, Vikram Singh and Sahil Khan. Open your cameras at least. You've not shown me your face also.
Ma'am, I am not able to open my camera.
Other students, like they opened and showed me their face. You people have joined late also. Beta. What about Rudra, Vikram Singh?
शॉपिंग कर लेंगे
Om, beta, how much time do you need?
Ma'am, please
Ahmed
wait
Khan,
for 1 to
Om.
2 minutes.
Kush Sharma,
Ma'am, 1
Pranjali
minute.
Dikshit, hurry up. Coming on to the next topic. Apprenons les lettres et les sons. What does it mean? Let us learn the letters and the sounds. Now we've done ABC in class 6 also. Let's do just a quick revision. Anybody in the class who remembers ABC in French? Let me see if anyone does.
Ma'am, I.
Very nice. Oh, yes.
Ma'am,
Start.
WW.
Directly WW. Start from A.
I remember all them.
Okay, so, let's
G.
start from A.
A.
Now, better see
E.
in bracket, they have written the French pronunciation also. It's not A. Double A H. How will you read it in English? Tell me.
A.
Ah. Yes, it will be read as ah. Go on.
D. C.
No.
D.
Be say.
U.
A be say. Okay. Say. Then what is D?
D.
Day. Very good. Then E is read
Then
as
U.
Very good.
Okay. F.
J. F. J.
C. J. H.
Very good. Arsh.
E.
E.
C. G.
G.
K.
K.
L.
L. Then
M.
M.
N.
Very good.
O. Ma'am, M. N. O.
Yes.
P.
Very good.
Q. I.
R.
S. A. S. A. Then U.
Very
V.
good. way,
Doublish way.
W,
I
W,
Greek.
X,
Ma'am, but here it's written H after that double. It's written H.
double.
In
So it
double.
will be read as double. Double way,
W.
X,
I Greek.
Y, and Z.
Z.
X, Y, Z. Now, let's just quickly read all the objects starting with these alphabets. Starting from A. Ahmed Khan, what is aeroplane called in French?
Avion.
Avion. It's avion. Okay. Sahil Khan, what is honeybee called? Sahil Khan, Pranjali Dikshit. Everybody just unmute yourself. I'm going to ask each one of you the pronunciation of any word. Kush Sharma. Rudra Vikram Singh, what is honeybee in French? How will you read it? Students, very bad, really bad. Not for you cannot answer, but for because you're not even trying to answer.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Ahmed.
Ma'am, Abeli.
Okay, beta, I have always told you that whenever we have double L, wherever it appears, we don't give it its sound. Double L is always treated silent. Okay? So now just try what it is going to be. Abey.
Ma'am, it can
It's abey. What
Abey.
will, yes, very nice. Abey. Then
Abi.
abey. Yes, we call fille. Girl, what is a girl called in French? Fille, une fille. So similarly, abey. Okay. Then what is the toffee called? Pranjali
Okay.
Dikshit.
Baba.
Bonbon. Very nice. What is this thing called? A broom. What is a broom called? Yes, just try out.
Ma'am, can I?
Any one
Ballet.
of you can. Yes. Ballet.
Belai.
Ballet.
Ballet.
It's ballet. Yes. Then what is a cat called?
Okay, ma'am.
Cha.
Cat.
Sha. CH sound is sh. So we call it sha. Then what is a
Shark.
gift called?
Kedu.
Kedu.
Shark.
Kado. It's called a kado. Then a lady.
Dem.
Dam. Next,
Dame.
dodo. Dam and dodo. Then what is a star called? Who will try?
Itole.
No. Let me see.
Ma'am, idiot.
No, let me
Ma'am,
see who can
actually-
give correct answer. We'll get
Atoll.
a kado from my side. The one who gives
Ma'am.
the answer correctly.
Atoll.
No, one more try. What is OI sound?
Itoy.
OI sound.
Otil.
Ma'am, atoil.
Ma'am, atoy. Atoy.
Atoil.
Atoy.
All wrong. So the gift remains with me. La kado remains with me only now. The correct sound is étoile.
Ma'am, please tell that what was the gift?
Now that's a surprise. No, that was a surprise that you all missed. Why should I open the surprise? Huh? Next time when you answer correctly, then you will get it. Okay. So
Okay.
beta OI. What is OI sound? You people don't remember. In word like moi or toi, TOI, MOI. How do we call OI? We call it ua, right? So here also it becomes étoile. What is it? Star is called
Étoile.
étoile. Okay, who will tell me the
Étoile.
correct pronunciation of elephant?
Elephant.
Elephant.
Very nice, Ahmed. It's elephant. What is it called? It's called elephant. Then
Elephant.
elephant. After that, strawberry. What is the strawberry called? Fraise.
Yes.
Fraise. And what is the
Fraise.
rocket called? Fusee.
Tuesday.
Fusee. Ice cream, we all know, is glass.
Glass.
Then
Glass.
giraffe. Giraffe. Hippo,
Giraffe. Giraffe.
hippo and ibu.
Kiwi.
Eel.
Excuse me,
Now,
ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, in French language, we don't call hippopotamus as hippo. We only call hippopotamus like hippo.
Yes, beta. We only call it hippo. H is also silent.
Hippo.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
जो हिप्पो है हिप्पो
Stop it.
हिप्पो को फ्रेंच में हिप्पो
Pranjali Dikshit. Huh? Otherwise, you cannot say. While I'm asking you questions, you can't answer. Then, next we have, okay, after eel, we have egone. What is it called? It's called egone. Then,
Eagle.
a leg. Leg in French is called jambe.
Jam.
And two legs together, les jambes. Okay, les, the legs.
Ma'am, we will don't call it them. They.
Right, they or lay, both would be correct.
Okay, ma'am.
They is indefinite article, lay is definite article. So I spoke it with definite article. Then Jean. Denims are called Jean. Jean is Jean. Kangaroo, koala.
Koala.
Lion. Lion is
Lion.
called a lion.
Yawn.
Then long. Now long. Long is used even for tongue and long is used even for language. So long has got two meanings. Like in English also we have a word with two meanings. Here also long is one example. Then house is called maison. Mother, mère. Ni and ne. Ni, ne. In both the cases, the consonant is silent in the end. Orange, oiseau. Pantalon. Pantalon is a trouser. Pantalon, pair. Q, quill. Now, what is this Q? Q in French is called a tail. A tail is called a Q in French. And quill. Raisin and robe. A girl's dress is called a robe. Then soleil. Sun is what? Soleil.
Soleil.
And snake is a serpent. It's a serpent. Thé. Tea is called thé. And
Thé.
this thing, tortoise is called a tortue. Tortue. Eun. Eun stands for one and uniform. Cow is called a vache.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please repeat uniform.
Uniform. Uniform.
Okay, ma'am.
Cow is a vache. And then we have vase. What is vase? Vase is flower vase. We all know. Wagon. Sorry, wagon. Wagon is a train. And weekend. Weekend. Xylophone. Now, when we talk about two eyes together, see in the chapter's name, they have a look of eye. A single eye is called OEIL, while when two eyes come together, they are known as YEU. It is pronounced as. Now, if I want to say the eyes, so I will say laser. Laser. S goes with the sound of YEU and it becomes laser. Then yogurt, yaourt. Zebra is zeb and zeho. Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes. Yes, beta?
Can you repeat why?
Can it be Y means what?
Which word are you
Eyes.
talking?
Eyes, Y-E-U-X is pronounced as, yes, it's pronounced as the. And when we say the eyes, it is pronounced as laser,
Laser.
the
Okay.
eyes. Then, apprenons les accents et la ponctuation. Now, let us learn the accents and the punctuations. Now, what are they called in French? Accents we all have done. One by one, all the students are leaving. Yes, so we've done this, these accents before also. Let's just do a quick revision. One is accent aigu, which comes on letter E. And it gives, what sound does it give? It gives a sound to letter E. Like for example, in the word bébé or éléphant. Then the next is accent grave, which is denoted, the symbol is right opposite of accent aigu. Now it gives a sound. Like in Hindi, we have the matra of a and a. So accent grave gives a sound. Then what is the next one? The circumflex. Circumflex does not give any change in the sound. It appears on all the vowels and there is no change in the sound. Then Sidel. Sidel comes under the alphabet C, and it is denoted by a hook kind of a symbol. And what does it do? It gives sa sound to letter C. In the end, we have le trema. Now, trema appears where we have two vowels coming together, and each vowel has to have its individual sound. Like for example, in this word Noel, O and E are getting their individual sounds. So we put a trema over there. Then let's
Okay.
come on to the punctuation marks. Now these punctuations are used in the same way like how they are used in English language, only their names are a little different. So let's just see what these French names are. Apostrophe, l'apostrophe, la trait d'union, that's a hyphen. Then le point d'exclamation, exclamation mark, le point d'interrogation, la virgule, l'aiguille. What is it called? L'aiguille. Sorry, les guillemets. Not gui, it's gui. Les guillemets. Then l'arrobas, that is at the rate. Le sous-titré, underline. Then l'espace. L'espace is a space that we give in between two words. La majuscule. Capital letters are called majuscule and small letters are called minuscule. Clear till here, children? Kushan Ahmed, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Very nice. So now we have a guide to pronunciation. Now see, the first example is H. Letter H is mostly silent. Everywhere it appears. Like for example, we have om,
Omi.
hotel, not omi, it's om. Om,
Om.
hotel, or loge. What is horloge? How many of you remember horloge?
And I forgot.
Wall clock. It is a wall clock. Okay, om is a man and hotel, a hotel.
Hotel.
Just a minute. Then next we have letter J sounds like j. So whenever we say I, we call it j. Or garden is called jardin. Jardin. And yes, j and jardin are two examples. Then letter T and D always have soft pronunciations. Like we pronounce them in English T and D, deer. It is not like that. How it is called? It is called as T and the. So tu, tomate, table, disque, diner, difficile. Then we have letter C. Okay, now listen to this one carefully. If followed by I and E, it sounds so, but elsewhere it is sound ka. Now, what are the examples? Sa, set, sidr. And then kamo, cafe, and cart, kayer. These are a few examples. Whenever it is followed by letter A or O, it gives ka sound. But with I and E, it is sa sound. In French, CH is always pronounced as sh, not as ch in chair. Chaise, chateau, chanter, chapeau.
Chapeau.
Some letters in a word are not pronounced. The last consonant in a word is not pronounced. That what I have taught you from the beginning. Like sha, petit, raison, and taba. What is taba? I'll have to see. Taba is, I guess, tobacco. I don't know. Not very sure about it. I'll have to see what it is. Then,
Okay.
the last E in a word is not pronounced. Now, like you just said, omi. It's not omi. E is not pronounced whenever it comes in the end. So, what it is? Teatro. It's teatro.
Theatre.
Difficile. M. M is, how many of you remember what is M? M is to lie. Okay, after that, now see, in the end, the note that is given in the end, when there is an E after the last consonant in a word, then the consonant is pronounced. Otherwise, that consonant is left silent. Like, for example, étudiant. We will call it étudiant. And when it will have E after it, then we are going to call it étudiant. So that is the difference between the masculine étudiant and a feminine étudiant. Then petit and petite. So the difference comes by this alphabet E that is placed in the end. Now children, your homework is, both of you please note your homework. Nothing much, you have to do this exercise in your copy. Both these exercises.
Okay,
Clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So is there any confusion? Any doubt that you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
All right. So the class gets over here. Bye and see you next week, Pita.
Okay, ma'am.